Let's go to question 4. Consider the function f of x equals 27 over x squared minus 16x. Write down the domain and a vertical asymptote line. Since this is a rational function, domain, we will make a denominator not equal to 0. Then x not equal to 0 is the domain. Vertical asymptote line is x equals 0. B. Sketch the graph of y equals f of x for x greater than or equal to -4, less than or equal to 3. Y is greater than or equal to -50, less than or equal to 100. We will set up a coordinate plane. Let's do -20, -40, -50, +100, 1, 2, 3, -4. After you set up this coordinate plane, let's go to calculator. Remember the domain and range of this coordinate plane, and also remember the scale you set up for this coordinate plane. Click on tab, upper arrow, delete. Control divide. 27 divided by x squared minus 16x. Enter. Check the window. -4, 3. Scale is 1. Y minimum, -50, 100. Scale 20. Enter. We need to figure out this x-intercept and minimum value for this part of a graph. Click on menu, 6, enter. 1.19. Menu, 6, minimum value. -1.5 or 36. Don't forget to draw this vertical asymptote line. -1.5, 36. This is 20, 40. Each small box, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 36, it will be here. 1.5, 36. 1.19. For this very small box, 1 divided by 5 equals 0.2. 1.19. Just estimate here. Let's label. Then the graph will be like this. You can locate another point over here so that you can draw this graph accurately. Go to menu, 5, enter. 2, enter. Negative 25.25. Negative 25.25. Just estimate over here. This is the graph for f of x. When you sketch the graph, remember, for complete coordinate plane, which means origin, x, y, and scales. Second one, key features required for this graph. The third, smooth and correct shape of the graph. Let's go to C. Use your graphic display calculator to find the zeros of f, which is 1.190. D. Use your calculator to find the coordinates of a local minimum point, which is negative 1.536. Let's go to E. Sketch the graph of a function y equals 10x plus 40 on the same axis. Click on tab. f2 of x equals 10x plus 40. Enter. We can figure out this intersection and this y-intercept. Go to menu, 5, graph trace, 0, enter. Then go up. You will get the y-intercept of a linear function, 0, 40. Go to menu, 6, 4, intersection, 0.684, 46.8. As we know, 2 points determine a straight line. Let's find another accurate coordinates on the linear function. Negative 2, enter. Negative 220. Negative 220 and 0, 40. Then we connect these 2 points. Y equals 10x plus 40. Let's label this intersection 0.684, 46.8. Solve f of x equals g of x for x. According to this graph, the intersection is the solution. So x equals 0.684. F2, solve f of x greater than or equal to g of x, which means f of x is above g of x. This is f of x. This is g of x. This part of a graph above g of x. When x less than or equal to 0.684, f of x greater than or equal to g of x. Last question. Solve f of x less than g of x, which means f of x is below g of x. Just check the graph. This part, it's below g of x. The intersection is 0.684. So when x greater than 0.684, 684. F of x less than g of x.